Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Pin here. If it's your first time, welcome. If you've been watching along the past few videos, welcome back. Today we're going on a bit of a scouting mission where I'm headed up to Turimetta Beach in the northern beaches of Sydney, and it's literally just to see what sort of composition I can get, because if I can actually get myself up on time to do sunrise, it's one of the places I'd like to be able to go to. So there's no plans for today. It's literally just check out what the place has to offer, see what compositions I can get. I've got no idea what the swell is going to be like because I haven't checked any of that. But it's also a good chance to get out and do something besides the city for once. So instead of continuing to ramble on as I have a tendency to do, let's cue the music, let's hit the road, and I'll see you at the beach. There's so many locations on this beach. Sorry, a wave nearly hit me. That I may not even need to leave and go somewhere else, which is amazing. So I knew it would be overcast. As you can see, it's nothing but gray skies. Holding onto the tripod to balance myself so it don't topple over. And I'll walk around here. Let's see what we can get. It started raining again, unfortunately. Forecast was for no rain, that's why I came today, but it's been drizzling all morning, so we'll see how it goes. But let's try both fast and slow shutter speeds right now, and then we'll see how it goes from there. So if they are really good, I'll put them up for you guys right now. So I actually went over there to get a few shots. I'm going to try long exposure from here, and I am going to exposure bracket. So to know, it's a little trick that we do as photographers to know when we're exposure bracketing is once you take one picture, put your hand in front of the lens, and also when you finish, do the same thing again. Always, because that way you know that group of shots between those two hand photos are your exposure bracketed shots, so you know exactly which ones to edit later on in Lightroom. So I see waves coming. I'm going to go back over there and try and get some high-speed ones. I'll be right back. So new composition here, where literally straight down the middle of the rocks as the waves are crashing into it. My camera's going to sleep. I'll walk you through the settings I've got because I'm trying to slow it down a little bit to get that water movement. I may Photoshop in some big waves later, we'll see. Probably not, but we'll see. But I'm at half a second to get enough of the water movement slowed down. ISO 50 and f9, and I am going to focus stack and exposure bracket these photos. If they do look any good, I'll put it up right now for you guys to see it. It's one location, one composition card. Let's get to the next one without breaking my ankle. was precariously positioned at the top of the tripod. I'm properly scared about it. I put a 3-stop filter on the front, and to make sure I can actually catch the waves, I'm using a shutter release for the first time in I don't know how long, because it's better than doing a 2-second timer trying to guess it. So I am going to focus stack and H and exposure bracket again. And we'll see what I can get out of this spot. That's this side of the beach done. This tripod needs to be cleaned before I put it away. As you might have seen, I just got properly drenched by the waves, so I'm going to set myself up down here for one more shot, and then probably call it a day. Been out here a couple hours now. I've got quite a few shots that I'm quite happy with. Well, at least hopefully I'll be happy with them when I get home and chuck them on the computer. I don't know how many pictures I've taken. It's probably in the hundreds of all the waves that I was taking pictures of. But I'll set up down here, point it that way, and may zoom in and get one up the surface whilst I'm at it as well. But let's see. My feet have been dry up until now, so that's part of it. I don't want blisters, and I want to clean everything off with salt water. Chuck a folder back on. F13, ISO 50, because I can, and 1/6 of a second. So we'll see how this goes. I will focus that to the most of this foreground, midground, background. I want to make it more focus. And we'll see how this picture turns out. Try different settings. 1/4 of a second, ISO 100 and F13. I thought that would be it for today, but it didn't feel right to come here and not get a panel, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So guys, that's it from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Down here, up here at Turimetta Beach. If you have liked this video and the pictures that came out, please consider giving this a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to stay for more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure that little bell is notified, so that way you get a notification every time a new video comes out. I'll finish taking this panel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.